Today, second part about equation. We will get, we will take some explanation or some examples about equation. Last one we talked about two we give an examples about two parentheses multiplied by each other equal to 0, like that, minus 3 5x minus 7 equal to 0. That we said 2x minus 3 equal to 0. We put or, not and, 5x minus 7 equal to 0. Furthermore, the first one, 2x, we will take minus 3 to the right side of equal. It becomes a plus 3. Or the second equation will be also we take minus 7 to the other side of the equal. It will become 7. Now 2x equal 3. It becomes 3x equal 3 divided by 2. Or 5x or x equal 7 divided by 5. These are the examples of one example about equations. Now in equations, sometimes he gave us to do a factorization, to do factorization first. Then we when he tell you factorize, first you must make solve. First you must make factorization. After that you get two parentheses multiplied by each other equal to 0. Then you will take the first parenthesis equal to 0 and the second parenthesis equal to 0. We put or between them. Now an example about that. For example, he said solve if we have 2x minus 1 quantity square minus 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 0. This one here, he said solve. First of all, as you see, there is an equation. We must do factorization first. After that we can solve it to find the x. Here we have 2x minus 1 in quantity square, and here we have 2x minus 1. These are common. These ones we have a common factor. and the second one also 2x minus 1 as a common factor. We will take the common factor in the parentheses. In the parentheses, it becomes 2x minus 1 open a bracket. We divide 2x minus 1 square divided by 2x minus 1. The answer 2x minus 1, because we have in the here we have 2x minus 1 2 times, and we have here 1 times. If I want to divide them, they become only 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Close the small parentheses. Minus, because we have here minus. And now in the second term, 2x minus 1 into x minus 3, we divide 2x minus 1 by 2x minus 1. The remaining is x minus 3. Don't forget to put the parentheses because we have minus. And we close the bracket. Equal to 0. After that, we take 2x. We put 2x, the common factor, minus 1. We put it the same. And then we simplify or reduce the expression in the brackets. We remove the small parentheses. It becomes 2x minus 1. Here we have minus. Here we have minus here. So this minus enter to the parentheses to change the signs. Change all the signs. Here minus plus x, minus times plus, it becomes minus x, and minus times minus plus, it becomes plus 3, and close the bracket. Equal to 0. 2. We return to right 2x minus 0, 2x minus 1 every time, and then reduce the second bracket. Here we have 2x and we have here also x minus x, same term. We can subtract them. It becomes x minus 1 minus plus 3. It be the same term, like terms, so I can subtract them. The answer will be plus 2. Equal to 0. After that, take each parenthesis alone equal to 0 and put between them or, the word or. So here 2x minus 1 equal to 0, or x plus 2 equal to 0. To find x, here 2x equal, take minus 1 to the left, to the right side of equal, it becomes a plus, it becomes 1, or x equal minus 2, because we change the sign when we take plus 2 to the right side. Now it becomes 2x it becomes x equal 1 divided by 2. This is the answer for first parenthesis, or x equal minus 2. These are the answers. Number 3, solve if we have 5x minus 3 quantity square minus 2x minus 5 also quantity square equal to 0. Here we have an equation. We must do a factorization for this equation first. After that, then we can find the solutions. Here we have difference of two squares. 5x minus 3 quantity square minus 2x minus 5 quantity square equal to 0. So we open a bracket, two brackets. The first one we put 5x minus 3 minus, in the second bracket, second one, 2x minus 5. And close the bracket. We open another bracket. We distribute. Here we distributed 5x minus 3 square into two brackets. First bracket we put 5x minus 3 without the square, and in the second bracket also we put 5x minus 3 also, plus. Now plus here this minus decompose into plus. In the first bracket it becomes plus, and in the second bracket it becomes what? Minus. First here we put minus, and in the second bracket we put it plus. In the small parentheses, so like 5x minus 3 square, when we distribute them, don't change their signs. Don't change their signs. That means 5x minus 3 remains 5x minus 3. 2x minus 5 remains 2x minus 5. It does not change. The sign that we will change it, that will be changed, is minus between the squares. In the first bracket becomes minus, we put it minus. In the second bracket we put plus. Or you can, in the first bracket you put it plus, in the second bracket you put it minus. So it becomes like that. 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Now simplify or remove the small parentheses. The first parenthesis, in front of it there is a plus, so we cannot change their signs. It remains 5x minus 3. With respect to the second parenthesis, we have in front of it minus. Here it is minus, so when we remove the parentheses, we will change the signs of the terms. All the numbers, we will change their signs. It becomes minus 2x plus 5. Then close the bracket. Open the second bracket also. We have 5x plus minus 3. And with respect to the second sign here, we have a plus. When it enters to the parentheses, to remove the parentheses, a plus does not change any sign in the parentheses. The signs remains same or constant. Plus 2 plus 2x minus 5. We close the parentheses, equal to 0. Then add or subtract the unknowns and the numbers. For example, here 5, we have 5x minus 2x. It becomes 3x plus 2. In the second bracket, we have 5x plus 2x. It becomes what? 7x minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 here. Minus 3 minus 5. Same sign, we add the numbers. We add the number and we'll put the minus as a sign. Here now we get what? We get two parentheses. Look, first, difference of two squares. We do factorization to reach two parentheses multiplied or two brackets multiplied with each other. Now first bracket or first parentheses same equal to 0, or second parentheses equal to 0. That means I will write here 3x minus plus 2 equal 0, or 7x minus 8 equal to 0. Now 3x, the answer 3x equal, we take plus 2 to the right side, it becomes minus 2 or second equation 7x equal 8. We change the sign of 8 because we take it to the right side of equal. Now we will find x equal minus 2 divided by 3 divided by 3, or x equal 8 divided by 7. These are the solutions of the expression 5x minus 3 quantity square minus 2x minus 5 quantity square equal to 0. First of all, first here in the part 2, we taking a common factor to factorize the equation first to get two parentheses, and after that first parenthesis equal to 0, second parenthesis equal to 0, or to find the solution x, and here also second parenthesis equal to 0, second equation we do factorization. It is different of two squares. We make different of two squares to get two parentheses. After that, first parenthesis equal to 0, second parenthesis equal to 0. This is the answers. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening.